Hello guys, this is 2010 f150 Platinum Pipe, and this one right here I put universal actuator, and I replaced this is second time, so that's gonna be the third time. So what I did here, I just mounted over here that bracket and fished the hook and screw it from there. Then there was a 2-wire, green and blue. This is just a test right now. So the blue one, it goes to purple, and the green goes to the gray one. Let's see. Right now I'm going to lock it. Okay, so it's working. There you go. See that unlock? That's a lot of torque. Lock it again and unlock it. Now I just gotta put this and test it. Okay, so let me lock it. It's locked, and then it works. Lock it again. Okay, and unlock, and it works. I'm going to the other side. You can see, same problem. Every year or 2 years, I always replace this thing. So now, come up with this idea. Just same connection. So the green one on this one, it was connected to the gray, and the blue, it was connected to the purple. Okay, and watch. All right, let me lock, unlock. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to lock it. It's locked and open. There you go. One more time. Lock and unlock. Okay, so it works. I was tracing the line, this line, and also have a problem somewhere around here. It wasn't cut, the line wasn't cut. I think it's the connector was pushing out. So I just pushed that thing in there still, but it's still not working. Even you push it, the actuator, this thing is totally dead. So bought this from Amazon for 4 of them. I think it's $18 just to try it. So now it's working. So let me lock it again. Look at that torque. That's a lot of torque. And we'll unlock. See? Ooh. So it works. So from here, put the brackets from here, drill, and put some screws. Okay, so and here I just put the tape here because I was doing something. Okay, I gotta tape that also. And here, you can see the screw here. Oh, I gotta fix that. Anyway, it works. Okay. See. Lock. Unlock. Imagine that this thing right here costs $70 to $120, depending who's selling it. You got it from. And that's the other side right there. So good luck, guys. I hope you guys find a cheaper way, because every like year or 2 years this thing goes out. All right, thanks. Bye bye.